Menteri Rangba Kejela Kurat Sangma haba kren bikinong tok kubor holor kejingmi jingdawa Pisa nak seng HNLC ulaong ke Sorkar kan nam ailad yakum kini kikam be'any. Ula berab da kabaong bagi pulit kilek eka kamram bat kumba kapau ke jingdawa Pisa kaladuna baha banyanujor bat kisnem kibaladep. Susu ula berab lu da kabaong baha kejingya kren ïasuk bat ke HNLC ke Sorkar jela ke Sorkar pedeng. Nak liang Sorkar kala kren shai baka seng HNLC kadai ban sangeh ia kini kikam dawa Pisa mar hakisnam bala debru kidon kum kini kijingjia.
Number one, we are very clear that no illegal activity in this form will be tolerated, and hence when this issue had come up to us, we had a very prompt meeting a few weeks back. I don't want to go into details. It was a very closed door meeting, and we had given instructions to the police to go ahead and do what it takes to ensure that these kind of activities don't take place. And based on that, the police has done its duty. They're moving forward, and you will see that the extortion cases which were there in the past, it is coming down. Even the people will tell you. Of course, there is much more work to be done, but full efforts are on. But we are now on the job, and we will ensure that this thing completely stops, number one, and none of our citizens should be affected by this. Number two, of course, we have made it very clear to the HNLC in multiple discussions through our interlocutor at that point in time that if they are serious about the talks, then all these other activities should stop, because there were certain things that are happening earlier also. I don't want to go into details, but you're very correct. We have already discussed with them in the past also, and now also we reiterate that while we are working and moving towards peace talks and making efforts from all angles, these kind of activities must stop.